Information board in public transport is aimed at displaying information about the route number and station name. Besides, the board allows to transmit advertising messages. This functionality is available in all versions of base block and Galileosky 7 tracking units, if equipped with SD card, and is carried out by means of Easy Logic technology. The information may be also played back as an audio track by means of Audio Informer function. In the screen, you can see the connection schemes. Pay attention that in case you need fast route changing, you should use IN0 input. Before connection, make sure this input is not used by other devices or sensors. Power supply is provided separately. Grounds of the board and the tracking unit must be connected. Connection scheme of Galileosky 7 is similar to the scheme of base block tracking units. Minimal firmware versions are presented in the slide. There are 4 types of ITLINE information boards depending on the location of their setting: front, side, rear, vehicle interior. Addresses are set on a mounting plate of every board by means of jumpers depending on its location. Front and side boards show the same information: route number in the left part of the board, the first station title in the upper line, and the last station title in the lower line. Rear boards show only the route number. The interior board shows advertising and the current station titles. There are 3 types of ISCRA information boards: front side, rear, and interior. Front and side boards show the same information: route number in the left part of the board, the first station title in the upper line, and the last station title in the lower line. Rear board shows only the route number. The interior board shows advertising messages and the titles of the current stations. In comparison with ITLINE, addresses of ISCRA boards are programmed by the manufacturer and don't need any additional settings from the user. To set the information board, connect the tracking unit to computer and launch configurator software. Then go to tab Digital Inputs and select Photo Camera and FLS for RS485 peripheral type parameter. Soon, it will be possible for the information board and other RS485 peripheral types to cooperate simultaneously. Don't forget to click the Apply button to save the settings. Now go to tab Commands in the configurator software and send the following command to download the algorithm into the tracking unit. Make sure the algorithm download is scheduled. Pay attention that the algorithm is downloaded via GPRS channels from Galileosky server. That's why you need a working SIM card in the tracking unit. In the Troubleshooting tab, select parameters Data Transmission, Data Transmission Detailed, and GSM GPRS unit. Wait for the message about successful download in the display field. Then go back to tab Commands and send Script to make sure the algorithm is saved in the tracking unit memory. To work with the information board, you need to activate Auto Informer function. You can select this function in the tab Settings, Sound, and click Apply button. Then, go to tab Routes, create your own route in accordance with user manual Auto Informer function setting, which you can find in our site. If necessary, you can create advertising messages and save them together with the route in the SD card. Insert the SD card in the corresponding slot of the tracking unit. Here you can see the operation of the interior information board. When the vehicle gets closer to station, the advertising message is replaced by the station title. After the vehicle passes the station, the board shows the advertising message again. Now you will see the way fast route changing works. When you press the route changing button, after hearing the sound signal, you will see the new route data presented in the information board. Connection of information board to Galileosky tracking device is completed. The tracking unit is ready for use.